Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking at Geometry Part B, Lesson 2, Circumference and Radius. So we're going to take a look at those first few problems where you're asked to find the circumference given certain things. And so here are a few examples similar to the ones in the lesson. So you're asked to find the circumference of the circle if you're given these as the radius. These are similar to ones you'll see in the lesson. So let's take a look at what we do first. What is the formula to find the circumference? Well, it is yet two of them. We're going to focus on one of them. We got circle or circumference equals pi times diameter. Well, we're given the radius, so we don't want to use that one. So the other one is 2 pi r. 2 times pi times the radius. So let's take a look at how it's just a matter of substitution and simplifying for these. So let's take a look. So if we're given 10 as our radius, then we're just going to do 2 times pi times 10. Well, I can multiply 2 times 10 and get 20. And so 20 pi is a perfectly acceptable answer. Or if you want to give a decimal equivalent, it won't be an exact answer. So just pay attention. If it doesn't say you can do it either way, sometimes you'll be told to give the exact answer. That is called the exact answer right there in terms of pi. So if I just want to do a decimal equivalent, I'll do 20 times 3.14. That's our estimate for pi, and that'll be 62.8, and then whatever the units are. Okay, so let's take a look at the next example. So what happens if we have an expression like 8x? Well, we're not going to be able to do anything other than just simplify what we can simplify. So we got 2 pi times our radius is 8x. Well, since I don't know what x is, the only thing I can do in this problem is give an exact answer. So what I'm going to do here is all I can do is multiply 2 times 8, which is 16. So that's 16 pi times x. And folks, that's all you can do. That's it. So I actually kind of like seeing these because I know there's a lot less work I have to do. I don't have to figure out if I have to do times 3.14 or not. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. What if I'm given an expression like 5x minus 2? Again, all I can do is multiply what I can multiply. Well, the most I can do here is to distribute, and I'm just going to distribute the 2. I'm not going to distribute the pi. So that's going to give me 10x minus 4. I'm going to put that in parentheses and then put pi outside. And folks, honestly, it doesn't get any easier than that. That's it. That's done. And so our last example here, what happens if you're given a fraction like 4x over 5? So 2 pi r, I'm just going to replace r with 4x over 5. And really, nothing really I can do except multiply numerators, make that a fraction. 2 times 4 is 8x, so I'll have 8x over 1 times 5 is 5, and then I'll just put pi outside, and that is it. So I hope this helps you with that first set of problems in lesson 2. If you're still struggling with the content, please let me know in a teacher message or make an appointment for a help session.